Good day, everyone. So today I'll be teaching you how to make cough syrup in your house. You know that right now the rains are coming, and before you know it, children will start having cough, catarrh, and all that. So I want to teach you simple remedy you can use in your house to make cough syrup. So what I have here is onions. I grated it with this small part of my grater. I also grated my ginger with this small part. So what do? I will take the I'll take the onions, put it in my filter, and drain out the water like so. You can take as much onions as you want depending on the quantity you want to make. So you take as much onions as you need to meet up with the quantity that you need. So secondly, you will need lime. Yes, lime. The lime quantity you will need is according to the quantity that you will want or that you need, that is okay for your family, depending on how many people you are treating cough. So I'll be using 2 lime for my own. Then I also need lemon. Depending also on the quantity, you choose how many lemon you use. But because of the quantity I'm making, I'll be using 1 lemon. So what do? You cut your lemon. Cut your lemon into half. The two of them, I'm cutting the two. Do the same thing with your lemon. And you do what? You filter like you did with the onion. This is the lime I'm pressing. Don't forget that the quantity of lemon and lime you use depend on the quantity you want to make. And also, if you are the type that have allergy or lime is too acidic for you, you can skip the lime and use just the lemon. So now make sure we drain all the water. You can see we now have the liquid that we need. So what else do you add? Remember the ginger we grated. So I'm adding the ginger. This is the ginger. Adding it into the water. So I know the question will be, why didn't I drain the ginger like I did with the onions? You know, ginger doesn't have a lot of water, and because of we need the water, and we need the hotness of the ginger. I'll be leaving the ginger inside the water I've pressed out from the lemon, lime, and onion to soak for some minutes. Then before I will now finally drain it out with our filter. So what else do you put? You put in a tablespoon of honey to mix it up, just for a little bit of sweetness. And honey also helps with cough. But if you don't have a honey, what do you use? You can use tom tom. Yes, the quantity of tom tom will also depend on the quantity that you want to make. You just open your tom tom and do what? Open your tom tom and you throw it in and leave it there. Leave it there to melt. By the time you want to drain your ginger, you also drain out. The tom tom would have melt, so you just get the water and you give to your child. How do you give it? For your child that is 2 years plus, you just take a tablespoon. By then you drain it. You just take a tablespoon and you give them to drink. So with this, you've gotten a very powerful cough syrup. And one other thing you should take into concern is that if your child is having cough, do well to at least try as much as possible to make sure that the water they will be taking will be warm water. That will also help to relieve their cough. And if they are sleeping in the night, notice that most times at night they cough more. That's because their throat is open and there is cold. They're having cold. So what you do is that make sure you keep the neck area warm, so that that will also help to relieve the cough. But if you are the type that say, oh, these processes are too much for me, I cannot handle it, I cannot prepare all these things, you can use this. This is what we call miracle leaf. I don't know what they call it in your area, but from where I am, we call it miracle leaf. So what do you do? It's miracle leaf. This is miracle leaf. If you don't want to do the first one I taught you, you can use this miracle leaf. How does it work? You just take it. You're supposed to put it over the fire, but because of where we are right now, you just use your lighter to heat it up. Heat it up like so. It's slow because it's lighter. If it is your fire, it will be very fast. If it is your gas, it will be very fast. You just heat it up like so, then you take it. You do what? You squeeze out the water. Depending on your child age, if your child is from 2 years, you just squeeze it like this with your lips till you get a tablespoon and you give to your child. That will also help to relieve the cough. Thank you.